Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to post a job on LinkedIn. In this video we will show you the sign up process of LinkedIn, the account setup process, and we will demonstrate all the steps that are needed to post a job on LinkedIn. Make sure to watch this video till the end to better understand all these things. To post a job on LinkedIn, you must first log in or create an account. This is LinkedIn's home page. If you already have an account on LinkedIn, then just use this sign in button to log in, or else click on this join now button. This is LinkedIn's sign up page. You can easily sign up by using your Google account, or you can use your email or phone number to sign up. Here enter your email ID or phone number, whichever you prefer. Then here create a password and then click on the agree and join button. On the next page, here enter your first name, then here enter your last name and then click on the continue button. Now there will be a verification step to verify whether you're a human or a bot. Simply solve this puzzle to verify the same. After successfully verifying, your account will be created. Now you need to set up your profile. Here enter the name of your country. Just start typing and the relevant country's name will be shown. Select your country from the list and then here enter your postal code and then click on the next button. On the next page, here enter your most recent job title. Just start typing your job title and the relevant job titles will be shown. Select your suitable job title from the suggestions here. Now select your employment type from this drop-down menu. You can choose between full-time, part-time, self-employed, freelance, contract, internship, apprenticeship, and seasonal. Choose your relevant job type and then here enter your most recent company's name. Again, just start typing your company's name and the related company's name will be shown. Select your company from the list and then finally click on the continue button. Next, you will be asked to verify your email address. So just go to your email ID and copy the code from the email that you have received and then paste the code here and then click on the agree and confirm button. Next, you will be asked, are you looking for a job? You can select between, yes, I'm actively looking for a new job, not really, but would consider the right opportunity, and no, I'm not interested in any job opportunity. Select a response and then click on the next button. Now here you need to add your email contacts. This is an optional step, so if you don't want to add any contacts, then just click on the skip button. Next, you will be suggested some profiles that match your job and company. If you wish, you can connect with them, or else click on the skip for now button. On the next page, you will be asked to add your profile picture. To upload the picture, use this add photo button. Or from here, you can also use your Google photo. It is always good to have a professional looking picture on LinkedIn. But if you don't wish to, then just click on the skip button. So this is your dashboard. Now let's move on to posting a job. At the bottom of the left sidebar, click on the post a free job button. Next, you will need to sign in to LinkedIn Talent Solutions. You can use the same email address and password that you use on LinkedIn. So enter your LinkedIn login credentials and then click on the sign up button. Now from here, you need to specify all the details and requirements about the job. Here enter the title of the job. Enter the company's name here and then select the workplace type from the drop-down menu. The options here are on-site, in which employees come to work in person, then hybrid, in which employees work on-site and off-site, and finally remote, in which employees work off-site. Select any option according to your requirement. We are continuing with the remote option. Next, here you need to enter your employee's location and lastly select the employment type from the drop-down menu. You can specify this job as full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, volunteer, and internship. We are selecting full-time. And once you've specified all the basic details of the job, then just click on the Get Started for Free button. Next, you need to enter the complete details of the job in 2 steps. This is the first step. Here, you need to enter the complete job description. LinkedIn provides templates for the description of almost all job roles. So depending on your required job role, this description box will automatically be filled. You can make changes in this description according to your job details and requirements, or either you can continue with the template description, or else you can delete this job description by using this Clear this template button and then write your own description for the job. Now scroll down, and then from here you need to enter the required skills for this job. If you are continuing with the template, then depending on it, some of the related skills will automatically be added. After entering the job description and also selecting the required skills, click here on the Continue button. This is the second and the last step. You will be asked, how would you like to receive your applicants? If you wish to receive your applicants by email, then here enter your email ID. Depending on the job template, LinkedIn will suggest you to add at least 3 screening questions that applicants must answer while they are applying for the job. The first suggestion will be, how many years of work experience do you have with skill? Here enter the required skill, and then here enter the minimum years of experience that is needed. If you wish, you can tick this box of must have qualification. The second suggestion will be, have you completed the following level of education? Degree. Here enter the required degree's name. And the third and the last suggestion will be, how many years of work experience do you have with skill? Here enter any skill's name other than the previously entered one. But if you don't want to use any of these suggested screening questions, then just remove them. Below is the Add Screening Questions section. If you click on any of the suggested screening questions type, then the relevant questions will be added to the list. And once you've finalized everything, you need to click on the Post Job for Free button and your job will be successfully posted. With this, we have completed our tutorial on how to post a job on LinkedIn. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you've liked it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.